Good morning. Ako po ulit si Alice Lee from Team Greed for Money at Pinoy Deal. And pag-aaralan natin ngayon kung paano gumawa ng sariling website. Bakit kailangan gumawa ng sariling website? Kasi ito yung magiging 24/7 salesperson mo. And sabi nga sa internet age, if your business is not online, then you don't exist. Okay, so importante na meron kang sarili mong website. Okay? So let's start. Okay, before you start creating your website, dapat na-conceptualize mo na ang design and content na ilalagay sa website mo. Dapat din nakapag-research ka na about the topic that you want to put in your website. And dapat nakapag-create or nakapag-download ka na ng mga pictures and videos na ilalagay mo sa website mo para hindi ka paulit-ulit. So, yun yung mga important notes. Okay, we will use weebly.com. That is www.weebly.com. Bakit weebly.com? Kasi mas madaling gumawa ng website dito kasi drag and drop lang siya. And para sa akin, marami siyang magandang features. Okay, although marami pang ibang free websites like webs.com or blinkweb.com, wix.com. But anyway, for this video, we will use this weebly.com. Okay? So, before we create the website, dapat meron ka ng email account. Okay, so for this example, I created one email account via mobile page forward. Okay, let's start. So, to create a website, enter your full name. Say, for example, this one, enter vmobile, pay it forward. By pay it forward, makikita nyo sa team strategies later on. Okay, so ang website is vmobile, pay it forward at gmail.com. Okay, then enter your password. Okay, then click sign up, it's free. Enter this CAPTCHA just to ensure. CSAGUA. Okay, then click OK. Let's go. Okay, first thing you have to enter the title for your website. For example, we will enter vmobile. We can enter your Team Greed for Money, or for this, we will enter Team Forward. Actually, meron na akong na-create na separate na website for Team Greed for Money. So, for this example, we'll just use this. Enter website and category, then click continue. Okay. There are three options para sa domain name. Okay. Ang first is yung free name, pero subdomain siya ng Weebly. So, magiging .weebly.com. Okay. Next option is kung meron kang or kung gusto mong mag-register ng bagong domain, kaya lang ito may bayad, you have to register your domain para mo siya magamit. Or kung meron ka ng existing and you want to use that, pwede rin using this already owned domain. Okay. But you have to configure your domain sa sarili mong website para mag-point dito sa Weebly. Okay, for this one, we will use the weebly.com. So, pay mobile, team, pay it forward. Okay. So, let's continue. Pag available siya, then it means it's okay. Kapag hindi siya available, may X yan, and then you can change. So, just click continue. Okay, this is the main screen. Una nyo makikita is yung design niya. So, nandito na yung title mo and yung default design. Okay, yung itong design na to, pwede mo siyang palitan ng theme. Okay, now let's look at these icons here. Ito yung mga basic elements. Okay, so paggawa ng paragraph, picture, multiple columns, contact forms, Google AdSense. Okay? Sa design, ito yung mga templates. Ang daming templates. You can choose a lot. You can choose one from these templates. Or if you want to customize, you can actually edit the HTML kung marunong ka. Okay. Or, sorry. Next one is the pages. Ito yung mga web pages mo dun sa website mo. Okay. Then, editors is kung sino yung mga pwedeng mag-edit ng website. Settings. Dito sineset up yung title if you want to change it. Okay. Kung pro ka, pwede mong palitan, pwede kang magkaroon ng site password. Maraming ibang additional benefits. Search engine optimization. Ito, importante ito para sa ranking ng website. Say, you will enter here your description. For now, let's just put something here. Okay, yung mga search keywords, mga meta keywords na ginagamit ng mga users. Say, road extreme, online business, etc. Okay, so that for money. Okay. Tapos e-commerce settings, kung tatanggap ka ng mga PayPal accounts sa website mo, you can use this. Okay, mobile settings, if kung gusto mong available yung website mo sa mga mobile phones. Okay, and this one is if you want to download yung copy ng website mo so that you can use it on your own website. Pwede rin yun. Okay, just save this. Okay, yun yung mga basic things that you can use here. Another one is the multimedia. Ito, very effective, very useful then, especially the YouTube. I like this. And then photo gallery, slideshows, okay, and Google Maps. Okay, I like all this. Sa revenue naman, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng AdSense sa website mo para ma-monetize mo yung website mo, you can use this Google AdSense. Okay. Then more is more on layouts. Okay. Or if you want to have a forum on your website, pwede rin, contact form. Polls. Okay. Miscellaneous, custom HTML. Pwede ito sa mga autoresponders like MailChimp, Aweber, whatever. What else? Listwire, yung mga yan. Okay. Forms. Okay. If you want to have a contact form para mag-contact kayo ng mga users. Okay? Now, okay, let's design. Let's have the basic design. We go to designs. You can choose the theme. Okay, for this example, say we want to use this. Okay, theme paid forward. So, automatic mag-change yung design mo. And then you may want to add your menu here. There will be a default menu which is home. Pwede mo siyang i-edit dito. Ito yan. Sa pages. So you can just change it to opportunity. Sorry. Okay. And then you can use the advanced settings para ma-set up yung title. Okay. Meta keywords again. Later on we can add that one. Okay, you can add another page. Say, for example, we introduce the product. Okay. Then, habang nagsiset up, it's better na i-set up na itong mga ito para hindi mo na siya kailangan balikan later on. Okay, and we want to have a blog here. So, we say updates. Okay. This will be a blog type. Ibang type siya ng page kasi may mga RSS feeds, nandun yung mga categories para lahat ng mga blogs dito nakasali. Okay. Okay. When you go back to your main, save settings. Ayan, meron ka ng 3 menus. Okay. Now let's design the first menu. Okay, opportunity. For example, I want to have a paragraph here. Okay, drag and drop lang. From there, click your mouse left and then drag here. Okay, automatic mapupunta na siya doon. Tapos, just click here to edit. Then you can write already. Ito, meron siyang mga editors. You can change color, bold, font. Okay. For this, I want to get this. Kasi may prepare na ako. Okay, so I will just copy, Control C, and then Control V here. Okay, then you can just design it if you want to make it center. If you want to change the color, then maybe make it bigger. Okay, check this out. Say, we want to highlight this. Okay. Okay, then maybe you want to change this color to red. Okay. Then, kung gusto mo lagyan ng video, you can go to multimedia, click drag and drop the YouTube video. Okay, lalabas ito. You can change you can just put in the URL, then change the size, okay, the position if you want it center, left or right. Okay, now I will get the URL video of this strategy, yung strategy ng Team Greed for Money, because I find this is the strength of the team. Okay, so it is very important na ipakita. Okay, you can say here, watch this. Okay, and then maybe kung gusto mong lagyan ng multiple columns, you can use multiple column here, drag and drop. Okay, and then maybe lagyan natin siya ng contact form. Just drag and drop the contact form here para yung mga prospects mo, pwede kang pwedeng mag-email. Say, join us now. Okay, you can remove the comment if you want, but for this we just leave it like that. Okay, and then here I want to put some paragraph with picture. Okay. And then I want to put some picture. Maybe you can put this one. Okay, and then you can change this. Actually, you can change the image, change the border. We don't want the border. Okay, and then the position, whether left or right. Okay, and then I want to put some text here. And then just click to edit, enter. Okay, I want here. So, what are your benefits? Okay, and then just click bold here. Okay, and then of course importante na mapakita mo yung kung ano yung mapapala nila sa pag-join. So, ayan, you just put here. Okay, yan, ganyan lang kasimpleng paggawa. Now, say for example, we want to change this image. Okay, you can actually do that. Just edit this. Maybe I want to remove this one. Okay, and change, add my own. You can add one image or actually multiple, but mas maganda actually kung one image lang siya. You can edit first before you add here. Now for this, just put here. Can you just drag, drag? Okay, then you can add text if you want. Okay, then you just save. You can save to all pages or gusto mo iba-ibang header or iba-ibang pictures sa bawat page, pwede rin. For this, you just save all pages. Okay. So, ganyan. Ayan yung magiging itsura. Okay, now the product, say if you want to edit this menu, you just go to click and then another one, drag. So maybe you can enter a picture here. Say click, for example this. Okay, then you can edit as usual. I don't want the border. Okay, and then say the updates. Ito yung blog type. So by default, meron ka ng first post. So para mag-create ng blog, you just click this edit. Okay, then you can enter your title here. Say why finance. Okay, then maybe you can you just change here. Say for example, I'll just copy this one. Okay, and then put here. Okay, ang difference ng vlog is kapag sinave mo siya, live na siya. Hindi mo na siya kailangang i-publish. Okay, categories, para mapunta siya dito sa categories mo. Say, why join us? Okay, then author, if you want to put the author. If you don't want, then you can just delete it. Okay, then you can also move up there, move the contents, kung paano mo siya gustong i-show. Okay, then you just click save to live. So, meron ka ng first post. Okay, and then dito, makikita siya sa categories mo. Okay, if you want to make it appear sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga categories, you can just edit. Okay, so automatic na rin yan. Meron na yan tweet, meron na rin like, and pwedeng mag-comment yung people depending on your settings. Ito yung settings. Okay, ito yung kung mag-aalaw ka ba ng comments. You may change this para pag lumabas sa address here, mas maganda siyang tingnan. So, why join us? Okay, track back is, never mind. Okay, just save. Okay. Now, kapag okay na, say yung initial post mo okay na, you can already publish it. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, what else do we want to show? Google Maps, Revenue AdSense, kailangan mo siyang i-apply sa Google AdSense bago siya ma-update. Okay, pag ready na, you can just publish this by clicking this button here. Click publish. Okay, say then continue. Publishing, and voila, meron ka na. Meron ka ng website. You can just say copy this. Okay, you can share on Twitter para automatic mag-ano siya, mag-update. You can share. Automatic niyang mag-tweet. Okay. Oops. I created a new website. And just tweet. Close. Okay, then just close. Now we can try this already. Let's go enter here. Okay, andyan na ang iyong website, ready to go. Alright, and your product, and your updates. You can like it. Okay, that's it. Ganun lang kasimple ang paggawa ng website sa Weebly.com. Again, this is Alice Lee, and thank you for watching.